she stole my heart. With long golden hair, she's a work of art. Tall with long legs, she's a sight to behold. Her smile's like sunshine, it never gets old. But one day she took my truck and ran, grabbed the keys, oh man, what a plan. I ran to the street watching those taillights glow. Her hair in the wind, off she goes. Thought I had her heart, but she stole my ride. Now I'm standing here, feeling like I've died. That beautiful smile in the mirror so clear, but she's out on the highway, I'm left in my fear. Oh, she took my truck and my heart, oh dear. Now I'm sitting here, drinking a cold beer. She's cruising away, living life with style, while I'm just a guy missing her smile. Maybe one day she'll come back around. With my truck and my heart, I'll be on solid ground. But until that day, I'll just sing this tune about a girl who stole my heart and my truck too soon. So here's to the girl with the golden locks, who took off with my heart and my old pickup truck. I'll laugh about it later, but for now it's